Would you like to wish David a happy birthday?
Yes, of course I do. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Hey, dear David.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I love you.
I feel like I need something in my hands.
All right, pick some candy.
Yeah. This could be your microphone right here. Or confetti.
All right.
Some confetti. Throw it up in the air. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear David.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday!
Hey everybody, and welcome to David Christopher's. I'm Jen.
And I'm David, and I am totally out of character today. I'm super excited because I'm going to get to do something that I haven't gotten to do in one whole year.
Which is?
I'm going to make my own birthday cake.
So he is turning 38 on May the 21st, and he has a pan here and some ingredients that we're going to show, and he's also gotten a new haircut. So every video, it's like he's shape-shifting.
Yeah, well, it's my midlife crisis. So I was in my mid-30s. Now I'm going to be in my late 30s. So it's hitting me pretty hard. So some of you may wonder why I make my own birthday cake. And that's because I make it a little out of the box. I unleash that inner child that's been trying to claw its way out of me for a little while. And we make a little bit of a crazy cake for my birthday. And this year we're going to share it with all the employees. So we're making a little bit bigger one than normal. We don't have another slice of Heath for me. Maybe it's bigger. I'm gonna need 2.
What would you do for a Klondike bar?
Make somebody an arrangement for a Christmas tree.
The big one? I got this one.
That's fine.
For this cake, we will need chocolate chip cookies,
Chocolate cake.
Klondike bars,
Ice cream, your choice.
Kit Kats,
Hard shell Reese's chocolate peanut butter syrup,
Heath bars,
and whipped cream.
and whipped cream.
Redi Whip.
Okay, so let's get started. What's first?
First thing we're going to do is we're going to layer chocolate cake on the bottom of this thing. So, chocolate cake, chocolate cake, chocolate cake, chocolate cake. So I'm just going to fill in the corner a little bit here. There we go. Maybe swap this end piece out in this corner. Yeah.
Did you wash your hands?
Yeah. See? Yeah. Production crew's making noise. Unapproved noises. Now for a layer of ice cream. This has already been sitting out to get a little bit soft. Just scooping out as thin a layer as I can get with keeping it pretty even. And then you can always mash it down if you get it a little too high. We're going to do a solid layer all the way across. Or chocolate chip cookies, because I like cookies. I like cookie dough, but we're going to use cooked cookies for this demonstration. I have to do a half layer in the middle.
You saving these or are you opening them?
No, we got to fill the whole.
Oh, I thought you were going to do another layer of cookies.
I mean, I think it's getting too thick.
There we go. Awesome.
All right. So now, what we're going to do.
Forget about the Klondike bars.
I know, we're going to put those towards the top. Now we're going to take little Heath candies and fill in between our cookies.
Oh, great. These are not already open.
They are not. Sorry, I couldn't find the tray open.
I can open mine faster than you.
You can. Wrappers are worse. Took me longer to untag than anything.
How many do you want on here?
Bunch.
I think that's good. You don't want it to be overpowering.
Yes, we do.
We still have lots of other things to add. Smells good.
Ah, that one.
Tainted.
Whoops. Okay, pretty close.
We have Kit Kats.
We do have Kit Kats.
Oh, and they're individually wrapped too.
Oh, you said they were.
I didn't think they were.
We thought they were not individually
I'll go ahead
wrapped.
and unwrap them. How about that?
Okay.
I'm going to eat this one though.
So now we're going to try and do a little thin layer of ice cream.
Mmm.
I don't recommend you eat much of it.
No. I don't even like Heath bars that much. I don't know why I just hate them.
Banana.
Banana.
Which we were going to get, but the bananas were not ripe yet.
Yeah, the bananas were green. All of them.
Very green.
Very green.
Not tasting good green.
But I don't like a brown banana.
No, you don't want it too dark. You want it that.
I mean, I don't mind that it's brown. It's
Nice
just
bright yellow.
It's so sweet. I guess the older they get, the sweeter they get. Ew.
Yeah. Have I gotten?
Huh?
I feel like I got more complicated as I got older.
You've got all these layers.
I'm multi-layered like my cake here.
Yes. Are we doing?
So we're gonna do Kit Kats. We'll just do those
Around the edges?
around the edges because Klondike bars go in the middle. Klondike bars.
Ooh, these look
Oh, these are
good.
thinner than I thought.
They just go like that? Is that your vision?
So I think that's pretty much what's going to happen.
It says, would you play hide and seek alone for a Klondike bar? Would you run a 5K in a polar bear costume? No.
I don't think I could run a 5K and anyway.
I didn't know the Klondike bars had so many flavors. It says they come in mint chocolate chip, Reese, Heath, Crunch. You need more?
I need more. I'm not a big cake person. I like ice cream.
I'm beating you to it.
Or
Okay.
oh, you broke one.
Sorry.
Spencer wouldn't let us eat that one.
Ah. You're kind of crazy. Mine. What a mess. Do I get to do the whipped cream? Please say yes.
Yes.
It's your idea. Do you want a dab on each thing, or do you just want it covered? What?
Why don't you just do like a grid?
A grid. Okay.
Like we're gonna play checkers. So you can still see some of the chocolate.
Me and my whipped cream skills.
Oh, I forgot the syrup. Man down. I forgot the Reese's chocolate
Ooh, yes.
freezy stuff.
It needs a little thing in between each. Get a little decorative touch here. Get us being cake decorators.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it didn't work. I missed my
Am I
mouth.
supposed to microwave this?
Be like shell. That's gonna be. Oh, that's gonna be a job right there to get off that. And ooh, that stuff is sweet.
We'll just do some little swirls.
You just made it look a little gross.
I know. So we're gonna let this sit in the freezer to harden and set up for a little while, and then we're gonna find out what the employees think of my crazy cake. Oh gosh.
Diabetic coma for sure.
Oh my god.
That's so good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You put Oreo in it?
It's Oreo Klondike Bar.
Even better.
It's good.
Good job, David.
Does it work?
The Oreo Klondike really is what sets it.
Ooh, we need some Oreo. Huh?
Mmm. 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 That is good.
Mm. That's good.
Mmm. That's delicious.
That's really good. That's really good. Not gonna have any teeth later, but ooh, I like it though.
Happy birthday, David. I hope it's an amazing day for you. And just remember, you're not getting older, you're getting wiser.
Happy birthday, son. I love you so much. I can't believe you're 38 years old. I love you with all that I am and pray for you every day. So I hope you have a great day. Happy birthday.
Birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
Hey! The pressure. I feel the pressure. Okay, how much of my body are you seeing? Like, are we seeing? Oh, no.
That would be too funny. What are you doing?
Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Happy birthday, Dave. Cause of death. Redi Whip.